been in the industry for close to 20 years, and this show is by far the best trade show I've ever been to.
It's been a very positive experience. I think having the exhibition hall set up the way it was, the traffic flow was really good. Lots of participants that came engaged with us. It was wonderful.
This is probably my 14th year. It's a fantastic event, and there's always a lot to learn here. Great speakers, and wonderful to see all the trade show exhibits.
How's my experience been this year? Wonderful. Met lots of new clients that I haven't seen before, and I think I made a few deals and good response.
I've been here about 10 times. The quality of the exhibitors has been consistent, and we definitely noticed an increase in building supplies.
The event has been amazing. I really enjoy being here. Everything from the suppliers to the seminars, everything has been amazing.
Anybody who's looking for wood product, and if they want to diversify, they want to know more about North America and Canadian wood specifically, it's a go-to event for sure.
This is my 8th time at the Global Buyers Mission. There were not only new materials, however, we noticed there was some new product out that really perked up my interest.
The evening receptions were wonderful. So just going up the gondolier, going to the roundhouse, being in this spectacular venue and being able to mingle in the food. So the conversation, the networking in such an amazing environment was relaxing and engaging.
I recognize that many of you have traveled some great distances to attend this year's event, and whether you come from elsewhere in Canada or North America or come from overseas, I want to thank you for making the effort to explore the exceptional wood products and technologies that British Columbia and Canada have to offer.
It's always really well organized. BC Wood has an incredible staff putting these events together. It has all the right elements for a wonderful conference.
Yes, definitely. I would like to come again next year.
It's been a very positive experience. I think I most definitely will be coming back to the Global Buyers Mission next year.
I have gained a lot of experience, and I have learned a lot from this Global Buyer Mission, and I think it was a success.
To people wanting to exhibit here, I'd say do it. You got to be part of this thing. You don't want to be left behind.
If you're considering doing something here at the Global Buyers Mission, it's probably the best value for your dollar of any trade show that you're going to encounter. Next year, no doubt about it, we're coming back.